How's it going, guys? My name is Davi and welcome back to my channel. In the previous episode, I gave you an introduction to our current project, which is my dad's 2005 Ford Ranger. Now, in the previous video, I did mention that we're going to remove the load bin to do some cleaning, and today you'll see why.
The load bin is attached by 8 bolts from the bottom. We removed all the wiring and everything else that attaches to the load bin, like the fuel neck and things like that. This thing was quite heavy, so I was not sure how the two of us will get it lifted off the chassis. But then, a brilliant idea, even if I have to say so myself. Attach 4 ratchet straps to the roof trusses and use the ratchets to lift off the load. And you know what? It actually worked. I was as surprised as a YouTuber who fixed something on the first attempt without needing a part 2 video.
Well, would you look at that? I think this is quite an achievement. First time ever trying something like this. Well, now you can clearly see this thing spent its life on a farm. It's been here for about a year now, and it's still full of dust. You just can't get to everything from the bottom. So this is the perfect opportunity to clean everything, fix everything. I can see those shocks are leaking, and yeah, we've got quite a bit of work to do here. So let's start.
Here I am using my Karcher K5 electric high pressure washer to try and blast off as much of the dirt as possible. Now you can see why I was talking about cleaning this bucky before working on it.
It looks slightly different. Well, what do you think about that? I think it came out nice and clean, and very happy to see that there is no rust or any damage like that. So, a few spots that need some paint, but this gives us a lot to work with.
Now we need to get this load bin outside for a wash. Luckily we have this small trolley, and it is suspiciously sturdy. The amount of dust that just get coming out of all the nooks and crannies of this load bed is just mind-blowing.
Well, that looks good.
Now, something else we also did off camera was to basically empty the differential, put new fluid in it, reseal it, and then do what I call a junk mail rebuild on this thing. Now, what's a junk mail rebuild, you ask? This, my friends, is what you call a junk mail rebuild. There you go. And there you go. Nice and shiny, completely rebuilt. New fluids, new seal. Like you can see there, it used to leak quite badly, but now all sorted. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's episode. We've managed to clean quite a bit. Like you saw, that thing was a total mess. Working on something that dusty really is no fun. So thanks for joining, guys. Please like and subscribe, and see you next week. Cheers.